In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to factory reset your Night Owl DVR. If your system's acting up or you just want to start fresh, this process is super straightforward. Let's get into it. First, make sure you're on the main menu of your DVR. You'll probably need to log in with your admin username and password. Once you're in, head over to the Advanced section. It should be near the top left of the screen. Next, click on the tab labeled Maintain. From there, you'll want to look for something that says Load Default or Restore Default. Sometimes there's a little gear icon next to it, or it's listed toward the bottom of the screen. Once you've clicked that, the system will ask what exactly you want to reset. You can usually pick between system settings, network settings, or just go all in and reset everything back to factory defaults. After you make your selection, hit OK to confirm. The DVR will restart on its own, and that's it. Once it boots back up, it'll be back to the settings it had when it came out of the box.